Hello.
Everyone gets $10 Kohl's cash for every $50 spent. Only at Kohl's, you earn Kohl's cash on everything.
Even sad.
The more you shop, the more Kohl's cash you'll get, with no limits.
She just wants to get home, I think. But I don't want to go.
It hits hard.
Oops, turn that off. Yeah, but we're all packed. We're going to just pop some stuff down to the laundry room that we're going to leave behind for some other people because we're kind of like that. And we just need the space in our suitcases. And then we'll come back, get our suitcases and off to take them up to customs, I think. And then go to Hollywood Studios for a couple hours. Yay. I am excited, I just don't want to go home. This is everything we're leaving. So leaving ponchos, water, toiletries, and a cup, and some cups. Look. Oh. They left nice little notes as well for people, so you kind of know. So yeah. Oh hey, this is it guys. We're leaving now. Leaving our room for the very last time.
Right, we've got everything.
Yes, we have everything. I was going to figure out how I'm getting all this out. Right, for starters, I'm going to have to stop vlogging to get all this down to the bus stop and to customs. So, yeah, you can have one last look at our room and cry with me.
Come on.
Look, my bed. You can tell our personalities. My bed, Thea's bed. But yeah, that's it. Goodbye, little widescreen TV. Oh, I don't want to go. So we're at customs now. We've just weighed our suitcases and both of our cabin bags are actually over, but only by very minimal. So once we've got everything out of those to wear on the plane, they'll be fine. And both of our hold bags are under 20. I'm so shocked by that. Mine's only under by like 0.20 or something like that, but it's still under, which is good. Which means no, it doesn't mean I can buy anything else at Hollywood Studios, can it? I might get some pins, I don't know. But yeah, phew, now it's time to check out. We're all checked out now, and I get the camera and our bus turns up. But we're going to take the bus now to Martinique and get the bus to Hollywood Studios and have some fun there before we have to come back and go. But we're all checked out, and yeah. So let's go and enjoy the last couple hours. We're heading towards Toy Story Land because we have a fast pass for Slinky Dog. We wanted to go on it the other day, but there was no fast passes available. So we have one for this morning, which is why we're here in Hollywood Studios. Oh, and it's quite busy this morning. Yeah, so heading to Toy Story Land now. We're going to do that. We also have a fast pass for the Frozen sing-along again, but we're not really decided whether we're going to do that yet, have we? We kind of want to do it, but it's just a timing issue. Our transfer to the airport comes at leaves at 1:30. Yeah, we've got to be there for about 1. So we have, it's now 9:25, so we've got a good few hours.
We're supposed to get there for a big passport.
Yeah, I mean our
after yesterday, I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
Oh yeah, after yesterday. We'll have a chat about that. Yeah, our fast pass for Frozen is at 11:30. So that should finish about 12. So I mean, Frozen is possibly doable, but we'll see how we go. Oh, I love Toy Story Land so much. Look, our best friend Buzz is meeting again, but I've been told I'm not allowed to do any meet and greets today, aren't I? Yeah. We saw Donald and Daisy, and we haven't met them. Donald, Daisy, and Bruto, the only ones we haven't met out of like Mickey's little crew. But I'm told I'm not allowed to meet them today, which is understandable because we're in one heck of a rush. We shouldn't have come to a park this morning, but I could have had a lie-in, but I wanted to come to the park instead. So here's Slinky. This is what we're going on. be a bit windswept, but I don't care. And oh my god, like that ride. I think I've said it about every ride I've been on, but every ride I think we've been on is amazing, isn't it?
The player knows.
It was so fun.
Yeah,
I was concerned about the drops because I don't really like heights. Like that drop there was like concerning me. But it was nothing. It was so cool. And honestly, like if you come to Toy Story Land or if you come into Disney, try and get a fast pass for it because it's 100% worth it. Guys, look who's coming, my base. I love them. Here they come. Let's say hi to Jessie. Hi Jessie! Hi! Hi Woody! I'm such a kid, I love it. you get so embarrassed by me, don't you? Look at her shaking her head. Guys, she's at my hat. Wow. Take it off, I'm not biting it. Oh god, I'm off. Oh no, the world is ending. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. So embarrassing. So embarrassing, I'm sorry. So we're at the Frozen sing-along again. We've come a bit earlier than what we were before. We had like an hour, so we thought we'll come now. And get in on the standby line and then cancel the fast pass. I'm not, I'm just yeah, we're not filming this because I want to enjoy it. Okay, so ciao.
Well, forever. I'm so happy you're here. The royal historian, very relevant sharing our story.
Oh, thank you. What a very good story you told, though the ending did feel strange.
Well, Olaf did help out a lot.
Anna, you saved our whole kingdom. You saved your sister and yourself.
Oh, an act of true love will thaw a frozen heart.
but it will be satisfying. If you pass information to the resistance, you'll be considered a traitor and a target. Over here. At attention. We'll see you again. Advance.
Okay, so that's it from us at Hollywood Studios. Goodbye, Studios. And there's, as we can see, is Daisy and Donald meeting. Fortunately, I do not have time to get into any meet and greets today, which sucks a bit. But, I'm not sure what we do now. We may hop to another park quick so Thea can get Okay. Okay, so we're at the bus stop for Caribbean Beach at Hollywood Studios, and we've decided to go back to the hotel now and just relax for the next few hours before we go to the airport. I can't believe this is it, we're going home. I don't want to go home, I really don't. But we are, so I'm not gonna like vlog anything now until we get to the airport and like through security. So yeah, let's have one last look at the Hollywood Studios. Oh, where even is it? Oh, it's there, it's behind the Coke machine. And it is there somewhere. But yeah, so Thea, have you enjoyed Disney? I have. I want to come back, I want to live here, work here, I want to come back. I love it.
We will not begin boarding Miami until everyone for Amsterdam is on the aircraft and accounted for.
Okay, so we're now in the departure lounge. We sat here, we've got a bit of a view of the runway over there. As you can see, that's not our plane, but that is a plane. So yeah. Yeah, so we're just sat here, we're going to have some drinks and we'll have a look in the shop, so there's not really too many shops. We'll have a look and just relax because we have no idea what time our flight is. There's like no signs here, so. guys, so yeah, that is it from me this Disney week. Got my Snow White jumper on, look. It's been an absolute blast. I'm now at home. It's ugh, can't even speak. I'm so tired. Just my chicken is making a noise. I'm just so tired. Like, I didn't really sleep on the plane. The turbulence was just absolute craziness. Like, it just was constant through. I think the seatbelt, when we took off, it was thunder and lightning, and the seatbelt sign didn't get turned off for nearly 2 hours into the flight. Yeah, I couldn't sleep. It's now 9:25. It generally feels like 5 o'clock at night. So yeah, but it's been an amazing trip. I can't wait to share all my footage with you, and I really hope you enjoy watching my vlogs and stick around for future vlogs. It has been great. It's definitely something I want to do again. I'm going to be putting some Disney haul videos up at some point, and also maybe some tips and tricks and things that I'll do differently as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you soon. Bye.